Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30, according to the manufacturer. And it says right here that it's for normal to oily skin. Right there it says broad spectrum SPF. Recommended for daily use. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then we'll talk about what they're saying on the side of this. So here is the bottle, actually. Comes with a little pump right there. It says on the side that broad spectrum protection helps protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Hyaluronic acid helps retain skin natural moisture, lightweight and oil-free, fragrance-free. And if you're worried about the ingredients, on the back it shows what the ingredients are. And it says the active ingredients are avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene. Sort of like Eileen, the name. You don't know funny. It says helps prevent sunburns, and there are a host of other different warnings and instructions on here that you should read for yourself before using this product. It says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and helps moisturize the skin, restoring the skin barrier. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to pump a little bit on my end. Prime it a little bit. It comes with this pump right here, which is easy, prevents spills. But I wish it could stand up, but you can't have everything unless you can. And so right here, I'm just going to take it and rub it in. It says fragrance free, but it does smell like fragrance of some sort. It smells like sunscreen. But indeed, it is light, and it absorbs pretty well. Let's rub it in, and it looks like you can tell that my hand has now been moisturized, but it doesn't have a white sunscreen glow on it at all. So that is the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen in here. My hand now feels moisturized, and I feel good knowing that it is protected from the sun to some degree. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.